Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Zara Hashmi, your English teacher here. I hope you're all having fun and enjoying your holidays. And I have a question. Do you want to become the best in my class? The best writer? Then you must read a lot of storybooks. And in today's lesson, we will be reading a story from your reader before Get Stuck. It is written by Nicholas Horsberg. And this reader has so many stories. And the story we're going to read today is Potato Men. Let's get started. I'm going to highlight the area I'm reading so that you're able to follow. Tom and Pam are in the kitchen. Can we help you? Mum asked Pam. Can we do something? Asked Tom. Yes, you can, says Mum. You can wash these potatoes for me. Have you ever helped your mum in the kitchen? Look at these children, Pam and Tom. They are asking very nicely, Mum, do you need any help? Please ask your mum. She'd be very happy. We'll wash them outside, says Pam. We'll take a bowl of water, says Tom. Pam carries the potatoes. Tom brings a bowl of water. They're working as a great team. Pam and Tom sit in the sunshine. They wash the potatoes. They put the clean potatoes on a mat. Pam finds a potato with a face. Look, Tom, says Pam, this potato has a face. Tom laughs. It looks like a man, says Tom. Look at the potato in Tom's hand. This definitely looks like a man. Have you ever seen a potato that looks like a man? Let's give him some legs. Tom finds some matchsticks. He pushes the matchsticks. He pushes the matchsticks into the potato. Two matchsticks for the arm. Two matchsticks for the legs. Tom and Pam laugh at the potato man. Tom stands the potato man on the mat. The potato man falls over. Pam makes another potato man, but the potato men will not stand up. They lie there in the sunshine. Mum comes outside. Oh, let's have a look at these potato men. These are their arms, and these are the legs made by matchstick. They sure look very funny, but I'm wondering, Mum has come outside, and what will she say about these potato men? Will she be happy or will she be cross with children? We will find out about this in the next lecture. I have a little homework for you. Look at this page. There are certain words that I've colored red. Tom, Pam, kitchen, mom, potatoes. These are all naming words. And do you remember? Naming words are called nouns. So the homework is very simple. The pages of reader that we've just read today, you are supposed to find out the nouns in those pages and color them red. Can you do it? I hope you'll be able to do it. If you don't have the reader with you, you can replay this video, reread the pages, identify nouns, and write them on your notebook. In whatever way you choose to do your homework. When you have completed your homework, take a picture of your completed homework and email it to me. This is my email. Even if you have any problem or confusion, you can write to me and I'll get back to you. This is all for today. Have a great day.